There was a Category 5 storm in the Philippines. It has devastated many. 60 dead and 500 injured.
My child is sick and we have no medicine. Help! Help! I need help! I need help! Stop! Help! Help me! I got so many ties to live with. I'm too young to die.
Here's Marco Caseco with more information.
Thank gods, this has been one of the worst storms in Philippine history, with 60 dead and 500 injured.
Help! Help!
You know what? Since we all don't want this to happen to us, I'll just tell you what you need to do. Or what you need to prepare before Typhoon Useless comes. So first of all, you need a flashlight. You need it because when it gets dark, you need to see where to go. You need to see where to escape. And most importantly, it's for you to alert the rescuers where you're at. Second of all, of course, we need food because we can't get our fridge if it's flooded. So just pack some extra food. Because it's very important. Because you need food to get out. And whenever you're hungry, you just gotta eat them. But just save resources. Yeah, I'm just gonna draw a Dorito chip. For me, I'd rather pack some apples or maybe bananas or even chips. Because I want chips. And also you need water. Most importantly. But this what I'm drinking is Mountain Dew. And of course, most importantly, we need a med kit. Yes, very important. Dang it, dogs. You must have one in your house. It's very important. Okay, the reason why is that because you don't have a medic at your house. Since you're in a storm and you're injured, you don't have a medic, just use the first aid kit. It has all your essentials you need. Betadine, band-aids, and you get it. Or maybe just an add-on, you can even have a flare gun if you're in serious danger. It works the same as a flashlight, like alerting the people or the rescuers. But the flare gun works like a firework, but just a fire charge of a firework. You get a small gun and you sort of get an average size of a circle like that. Yeah, it'll just shoot off the sky. Not high as a rocket, but it is very bright, like a firework. I guess you could buy one. And of course, you need to have some bullets too, because they have the rockets. Oh my goodness, my dogs. My dogs. But teacher, in a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate our project?